Okay guys, I had some bad news with my roses. I had a really pretty yellow rose, a really beautiful pink and red rose that were lined up over here. I'll show some pictures of what they looked like. They got that rosette disease and I had to pull them. I had to pull them and throw them away in the trash, not in the compost. And they just had the thick thorns and that real reddish, I'll show a picture of what that disease looks like. I did not take a picture of it because I was just trying to get it out of my garden. So now I just have this shrub rose. I think it's a mini, I'm not sure. But anyway, I just have that. I'm going to remove that. And what I'm going to put in its place is this, the Summer Wine 9 bark. I just place things in pots until I figure out where I'm going to put it. So yeah, this is going over there. And I don't know, I may end up putting this rose, and I have another shrub, mini shrub rose. I may put them on the corners here. One here and the other one over there, and then put the 9 bark here. That is my plan. Okay, the sun is out in an angle that is really bad for the camera, but I'm gonna try to do my best in sharing what I've done. I have put both shrub roses on the corners here, so I have two of them. This one right here and that one over there. This is the summer wine 9 bark in the middle. Maybe this angle will look a little better. Like I said, I put the roses on the corner here and the summer wine 9 bark in the middle. I'm going to try to prune it in a way that instead of the limbs just falling over on the side, I'm going to try to bring it upward, if that makes sense, instead of it flopping on both sides. Now I'm new to 9 bark, so I could be just dreaming, but I'm going to try to do that. That's going to be my goal. But I do like the way it looks here. So that was one project that I have successfully completed today. So let's move on. Trim this pot right here, this one as well, and I'm going to trim off these hibiscus stems, and I think that is going to be it for today. It's a little late in the evening, so I'm going to just do those couple of things and I'm going to call it a day. Getting this summer wine 9 bark in and the roses on the side here is a awesome thing for me to have that done. It's no longer sitting in pots, it's in the ground. Cutting back the creeping jenny and the hibiscus. I am done for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.